Hi, this is Jinzo from Nintendo.com forums. Many of you were wondering if the USB adapter that FB found actually worked. Well, it does work, and this is going to be a second video confirmation to support FB. Now, when you order this adapter, it comes with this CD drivers for the PC, but you don't need this, an extension cord to, extend and stuff. Anyway, here I'm gonna plug it in straight to the Wii in the back, so you could see there's nothing in the back of the USB ports. I'm gonna just plug it in like so. Using this Ethernet cord, I'm just gonna plug it in right here. And then if you follow the other end, I'm just gonna plug it into my router over here at the back, like so. And then turn on the Wii. Settings. TV, man. Anyway, we go to the internet, connection settings, wired connection right here to set it up. Hit OK. Just excuse that message from the TV. I don't know why it's saying that. Successful. It's going to ask to update. I'll hit yes. It's not going to update since the system's up to date already. No updates. We'll go back to the Wii menu. Now it's restarting. Next, I'm going to show you the shop channel just to make sure it works, connecting to the internet. Just right there. You can see it works in the virtual console fine. Yep. So I guess that's that. We'll go back. The adapter costs roughly $20 with $5 shipping on NEWEGG, so you could check out the thread from Nintendo forums. And I guess that's that. Thank you again, FB, for showing us your find and sharing it with us, and I hope the rest of you guys who'd wish for a wired connection buy this soon. Alright.